Hello student of standard 8. So welcome in our new session of English 1. Here is our worksheet. So today we are revision of क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. ओके, इसके पहले हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू का रिवीजन किया था. हियर इज अ फर्स्ट राइट और रॉन्ग. सो पुट टिक एंड क्रॉस मार्क्स अगेंस्ट द फॉलोइंग. सो नंबर 1, वैन रोजर यूज्ड टू मेक strange noise. It's right. Tom so much interest in painting to the fans to impress Ben. It's right. Other boys gave their plating to Tom unwillingly. It's wrong. Tom had discovered a great law of human action. It's right. The king was happy to punish Goldenlocks. It's wrong. The giant said that the king had no right to trap me. It's right. Goldenlocks disciplined himself while going to the king. It's right. With the kind act of the giant, Goldenlocks was reunited with his father. It's right. The sixth blind man wanted to judge the elephant. It's right. All the six blind men were completely wrong in their opinion about elephant. It's wrong. Traffic problem has not been sorted out for a year. It's right. The heavy vehicular traffic has proved to be a great nuisance for the shoppers. It's right. Match the word in A with their meaning in B. So word and meaning. Sturdy means क्या होता है? कठोर. ओके, हार्ड. तो इसका डॉट मीन्स भी सेम होता है. सो इसको बाउल मीन्स साउथ. सो इट्स साउथ सी. बीस्ट मीन्स एनिमल. सो एच. क्वाट मीन्स कहना. सो सैड. स्पेक यानी स्पोक. दैन स्क्विमिंग यानी कि एन ट्विस्टिंग मोशन यानी घूमना. वीन मीन्स ई. थिंक. प्रेट I यानी कि talk too much. Wondrous. F. Extraordinary. To grape. To feel. Okay. So this is our matching. Do in notebook. ये भी आपको notebook में करना है. Do in notebook in revision. Then the next is जैसा कि हमारी वर्कशीट में दिया हुआ है. Here is the page number 5 and 6 paragraph 2. Okay, वो हम अपनी वर्कबुक से करेंगे. So here is the paragraph. Are you afraid of Aunt Polly? Aunt Polly, she won't hurt you. She talk about it, but talk never hurt. वो सिर्फ बात करेंगे पर बातों से कोई हर्ट नहीं होता. It never hurt except when she weeps. She weeps also. You should not be afraid of her. तुम उनसे नहीं डरना चाहिए. अगर वो रोएंगे तो ही थोड़ा हर्ट फील होगा. But I will give you one of my plaything. मैं तुमको अपनी plaything यानी कि खेलने की चीज़ दूंगा. And I will show you my foot. और मैं तुम्हें अपना पैर भी दिखाता हूँ. I will show you where I hurt it. मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ मुझे कहाँ पे हर्ट हुआ है. Jim was only human. Jim भी एक ह्यूमन था. He took the plaything and he put his head down. Jim was only human and he took the plaything and he put his head down. Jim इंसान ही था इसलिए उसने plaything ले ली और पैर सिर नीचे करके देखा तो took at the foot. Look at the foot. उनके foot की तरफ. In another moment he was running down the street. Tom was panting as fast as possible and Aunt Polly was returning to the house. जैसे Aunt Polly घर पर आए ऐसे जिम नीचे भाग के चला गया और टॉम ने पैंटिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. So how did Tom try to convince Jim to take up his work? Tom tried to assure Jim that Aunt Polly would not hurt him if he painted the fence. Tom offered him one of his plaything and tried up to win his sympathy by showing his scarred foot as well. Next is why it is said Jim was only human. So when Tom offered Jim one of the playthings, Jim took it and he also looked at Tom's soft foot. Both these things on the part of Jim indicate that he was only human. Aunt Polly was returning to the house. What two consequences took place at that time? So while Aunt was returning to the house, even after taking one of the playthings from Tom to paint the fence, Jim ran down the street and Tom started painting the fence as fast as possible. Okay, so आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है. ये भी राइट इन नोटबुक जिस तरीके से मैंने आप रिवीजन आपको क्लास में लिखवाया करती थी. द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ है हमारा पेज नंबर 21 पैराग्राफ 5. ओके, so here रहा हमारा वो पैराग्राफ. He is still my father. He only did what he had promised his people he would do to punish a criminal. Well, I do not think you were a criminal to free me. The king had no right to trap me. I have to love for the king, but if you want this, I will honor your request. I do please save me. The giant got the venom from the snake, but he would not take it to the king himself. Goldenlocks would have to do it. Goldenlocks disguised himself as best he could in old rags and with the golden hair recovered in a plain white cloth. He went to his father's castle for the first time since he had been sentenced to death. He felt as if all the soldiers could see right through the cloth. He trembled, afraid he would be cuffed and jailed any moment, but no one recognized him. In a low of voice that he hoped did not sound at all like the voice of young Prince Goldenlocks, he told the guard at his father's door that he carried the precious drop of venom from the tiger snake. He was ushered in immediately. So why was the giant ready to carry out the face of Goldenlocks? Since the giant had the obligation that Goldenlocks had freed him when the king had captured him and put him into a cage, he became ready to carry out the wish of Goldenlocks on his request to pay up the obligation. What did Goldenlocks do to approach the ill king in unidentified? The Goldenlocks disguised himself as best as he could in old rags and with his golden hair covered in a plain white cloth to approach the ill king unidentified. Give the meaning of two paras. So asserted in use in the sentence of your on the paras. Asserted it means here hurriedly taken aloud into the to the place. Since the sportsman was sincerely wounded, he was asserted in the ऑपरेशन थिएटर. ये भी आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है. राइट इन नोटबुक. सो वी विल मेट अगेन नेक्स्ट सेशन. टिल देन बाय. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ये आपके रिवीजन का वर्क है. ओके.